guys, how are you doing? Guys, do you remember in the last class we were talking about pets? So let's remember the pets one more time and repeat. Cat, cat. Fish, fish. Rabbit, rabbit. Duck, duck. Turtle, turtle. Bird, bird. Let's repeat one more time. Cat, cat. Fish, fish. Rabbit, rabbit. Duck, duck. Turtle, turtle. Bird, bird. Very good. Guys, on page 13, página 3, you need to color the... What animal is it? This is a bird. So you need to color the bird. On page 13, na página 13, you need to color the bird. Repeat. Bird. One more time. Bird. Very good. One more time. Bird. Very nice. So, this is a bird. You need to color the bird. Very good. Repeat. Bird. Very good. So guys, today our class is finishing. Bye bye and see ya.